Well, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but this is a pick that Bernie made for me, and I haven't used it far enough after all the work he's put into it, so thanks Bernie, much appreciated mate. And we've got a leg lock that I got this off Dogman I think, so let's see if we can do a bit of picking. Satan spent a bit of time with me the other week, giving me some pointers on picking these, and I must say he's a good teacher. Four and five are in. One's in. Two. Now we're getting counter. So we're in anti-pick here on number 2. So this, come on baby, come on, gotcha. There we are gents. So once again, thanks to Bernie for this, it's a cracking tool mate. Thanks to Satan for pointing in the right direction. And lastly but not least, thanks to Safe Locks, these are one of his wires he made. I've got era written on it, but it's a leg lock. Cheers chaps.